Question 1. Which device converts AC to DC? Answer B. Rectifier. Question 2. Which part of a generator rotates to produce electricity? Answer A. Rotor. Question 3. Which component converts electrical energy into mechanical energy? Answer C. Electric motor. Question 4. Which type of connection is used in household wiring? Answer A. Parallel connection. Question 5. Which material is the best conductor of electricity? Answer B. Silver. Question 6. Which type of wave is used in AC supply? Answer C. Sine wave.